Alright everybody, welcome back to another episode of Frontier Michigan. And we're going to be installing our Z1 Underseat Storage bin. So what we're going to do is, well, remove this old plastic stupid thing. So, clear that out, set stuff over, wraps, the factory Nissan cleats are currently in the bed of the truck right now, so that's why you don't see them in here. Yeah, this little stupid cup is just not big enough. What you got are these little unlock clips. You just, give them a good turn and this thing should come up. Should. Didn't want to release. Just like that. And we're out. Yeet. Get that out of here. Let's go over to our Z1. We'll go ahead and tighten these up. You're going to need a 10mm socket for these. Doesn't take much. Does not take much at all. So, gotta grab this out of the box. Bring it around. Now, those two screws that I showed you earlier in the red bag here, they're going to line up with these threaded holes here on your brackets. So, let's go ahead and get my two bolts out of the red bag. One, two. Now I got my bolts, set them there, get that out of the way. Now I'm going to line these up with where my holes at. Just like that. Get one of them started. Like that, started. Get the other one started. Get your 10mm ratchet. Getting there. A little long. That one's tight. Make sure this one's tight. And that's literally it. Installed less than 4 minutes. And I did it one-handed. That's how easy this is. Now I take this stupid thing here, shove this in its stupid box. Now that the Z1 is out, ain't nobody gonna want that. Pick up my stupid locking tabs. I am not keeping this, and I'm not going to recommend anybody buy the OEM one when there is better aftermarket one out. So, right over here in the dumpster. This is my face. Yeah, close that up for now. Start putting my stuff back in here. So much more room. So much more room. That is awesome. Don't worry, I'm going to go through and clean up all these straps and get them all nice and good. Just trying to see something. Let's see. Grab my hitch out of here. Big ratchet straps. Which, quite honestly, I'm not impressed with these Go Rhino USA straps because they're honestly junk. Got my hitch, pin in it, everything. Set that down like that. And these are not tiny little ratchet straps either. These are quite big. That bag out of here. Little tool package. Just shove that in there for now. All this stuff never used to fit. That's why I had the bag with my hitch and all that. So, bam, just like that. And everything is all contained up inside. It doesn't spill out like the old one did. I'll get this cleaned up the rest of the way. I'm deciding if I want to actually do onboard air or put just recovery gear in here. So let me know down below what you think. Thank you for watching. Product link for the Z1 Underseat Storage bin will be down in the description. And we'll see you next time.